Have a pleasant day to everyone. Hoping everybody is doing well and in good health. Welcome to Higher Diploma in Data Analytics. In our previous discussions, we've discussed a couple of Excel functions in the context of data analytics. Excel's visualization, namely charts and graphs, as well as pivot tables. Also, we've started in the previous presentation about descriptive analytics. Then as we move forward, we will be continuing diving on descriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics is the last topic in Module 1. After this presentation, we have one more discussion on the mentioned topic before proceeding to Module 2, Predictive and Prescriptive Analytics. Let us do some refresher. Data analytics is the process of examining, organizing, and interpreting data to uncover valuable insights, patterns, and meanings or trends. It involves using tools and techniques to make informed decisions, predictive outcomes, solve problems, or improve processes across various fields like business, healthcare, education, and more. Think of it as a turning raw data into actionable knowledge. Data analytics is immensely important across business and various other fields because it empowers decision making and drives efficiency, innovation, and growth. In business, it improves decision making, customer understanding, cost efficiency, market trends, risk management. In healthcare, patient care, disease prediction, operational efficiency. In essence, data analytics translates raw information into actionable insights, profoundly influencing industries and fields by promoting smarter and data-driven decisions. Now, as a continuation, let us dive into the world of descriptive analytics. Let us continue discussing the key types of data analytics. So for this discussion, our focus is on descriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics, this type focuses on summarizing past data to understand what happened. It includes techniques like data aggregation, reporting, and visualization. As example, analyzing sales data to see which products sold the most last quarter. So what are the key features of descriptive analytics? So data aggregation, collecting data from multiple sources. Data summarization using charts, graphs, tables, and statistical measures, in particular mean, median, mode, among others. To provide insights. Historical view looks at past performance or behaviors, not predictive or prescriptive.